And after 6 years, since May of 2019, welcome back to Dunston. 156448. We're 156486 with the 1331 Northern service for Nunthorpe. This came just as I arrived, so I'm going to go at the very top end, see the fucker leave. For Nunthorpe in the pouring down rain. And you might have just very, very briefly heard that very quiet announcement, because I think the speakers are all down that end. The approaching train does not stop a diverted LNER service, which is why we're here today after 6 years. 1336 LNER Zoomer service for London King's Cross. Under 106, you belong to London King's Cross. I don't belong there though, or anywhere.
The approaching train is not scheduled to stop at this station.
Ah, blooming hell, I missed it. Right, passing Northern service from Carlisle to Newcastle. One 156482, and the one going in the opposite direction from Newcastle to Carlisle is running late. Its inbound service was cancelled. It's not yet left Newcastle. Fucking hell! So we'll see when that arrives, but it should be the next train. And then I think I've got another Zoomer going the opposite way up to Edinburgh, and then the stopping train heading to Hexham, which will be mine. So I'm going to take over the Metro Centre. Passing Northern service for Carlisle. It's about 6 minutes late. No idea why. One 156486 for Carlisle. Right then, up to Edinburgh the opposite way. This one's a 10 car. My camera didn't like the rain there. 800 208 and 801 105 for Edinburgh. Couldn't decide whether it wanted to focus, but oh well.
Hexham. Train is formed of 2 carriages. The next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 1401 Northern service to Hexham.
And the 1401 Northern service for Hexham, 156487. Can't quite remember where it stops, so let's see where I get on. It's busier than I thought it'd be. Right, I'll jump on here I think. I'm only going like 2 minutes down the line. I'm only going to Metro Centre, I'll stop here. Thanks for watching.
got the train to. Excellent. Next station stop is Metro Centre.